Hi, this is Shahriar Kabir from KlinKode. Today I will show you how you can make the name and comment fields of the default DOM theme as required. As you can see in my screen, only the email field is required, right? Now we are going to make the name and the comment fields are required. Let me show you how we will do. First, go to the theme, then edit code. Now we will modify a liquid file of the contact form. To find that, go to the section folder, then contact form liquid file. You see? Now we will use this guide. Let me go to the guide, this guide to make it happen. I will share this post link in the description section below, so you can easily access this and follow the guide. So according to the guide, we need to copy this required part of the code and let me first find the contact form name ID. Now I can command F, or if you are a Windows user, maybe it is Control F. So the search, then command V, and next, yeah, here it is. So we will add the required attribute to the code. Let's copy. Then this is the name field. We will add as a last attribute here. Okay, same thing for contact from body. Yeah, this is the comments text area field. So we will enter, then yeah, required. Okay, additionally we can add the asterisk symbol as well using this code. Let's copy, and we need to add this after the level name or level tag, inside the level tag of the contact from body. You see? Okay, same thing for the name field. Yes, this is the level, then command V and save. Let's go back to our contact page, refresh it. See, now there is the required symbol, and let's try to submit this. No, you cannot. So yes, this is how it should be done. Thank you.